Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss Introduction to Power Apps Part 1. So Power App is a suite of apps, services, connectors and data platform which provides an application development environment to build custom app for our organizations. Or we can build custom business apps using CDS data models or various online or on-premise data sources. It facilitates to build the responsive app design and can be run on web browser or on mobile devices such as phone or tablet. And there are so many reasons to choose the Power Apps. So it support modern SharePoint environment like we all know that nowadays most of the people are moving toward the modern SharePoint tenant. So to customize the form inside the modern SharePoint, there is an approach of Power Apps. And it is the replacement of InfoPath form. Most of the Microsoft document suggest that in replacement of InfoPath, we can choose the Power Apps. And it is a no-code solution. You don't need to learn any technical skill or technical language in order to start with Power Apps. And it is easily accessible across all the devices with responsive user interface, and it support 250 plus pre-built connectors and custom connectors. And in Power App is a part of Power Platform, so integration with other Power Platform component like Power BI and Power Automate become very easily over here, and it can be easily integrate with Microsoft 365 Azure and Dynamic 365. And for this, so this is the product of Microsoft. So definitely strong governance and security is there, and it provide a capability to enhance the app with artificial intelligence or AI, and it has zero downtime during the maintenance. So it is a cloud based and secure. And ProDev extensibility is available over here, like we can also extend the capability of Power Apps using Power App Control framework and other dev features. What are the advantages of Power Apps? Power Apps come integrated with Microsoft Flow, and Power App is an alternative of InfoPath form. This can be used to create the responsive custom form and connect it to a variety of data sources. Power Apps support mobile devices as well responsive UI. And Power App integration with Office 365, Microsoft Flow, Microsoft Power BI. It is easy to get data into and out of SharePoint or Excel or any of other 365 app on which your business depends. And it can connect a variety of data sources like SQL, SharePoint, Power BI, Excel, MS Access, etc. Many standard data storage services are easy to connect to and use with Power Apps. Multiple OTB connectors are available by default. As per Power App license, standard and premium connector are available to use. If you have Excel background and logic concept, you can easily make app rather than writing apps with second as basic workable apps. Using fast track mode for a CRUD app, less code required. CSS writing is almost not required as Power App Studio. It's just like PowerPoint, enable drag and drop, change and modify from within Power Apps Studio. CSS configuration can be done. And what are the limitations of Power Apps? In Power Apps, you can retrieve only 500 items by default, and it can be extended maximum up to 2000. Performance decreases. If we are using the Canvas application, then only one developer can work at a time. And the attachment control will work fine with the SharePoint as a backend. If we are using custom SQL, then attachment control will disable. Workaround to use OneDrive, SharePoint, etc. to store attachment and refer in the Power Apps, and cannot integrate JavaScript in Power Apps forms, and Power Apps exist with the business context and as such as means of internal use. Therefore, you cannot create a Power Apps and share it outside your organization. This has to do with the licensing model as well as technical limitation when it comes to sharing them with external user. So in this video, we covered Introduction to Power Apps Part 1. Thanks for watching.